There was a significant rise in web threats targeting businesses in India during 2023. This surge highlights the growing challenges companies face in safeguarding their digital assets and sensitive information from cybercriminal activities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Web-based threats or online threats are a category of cybersecurity risks that may cause an undesirable event or action via the internet. Web threats are made possible by end-user vulnerabilities, web service developers or operators, or web services themselves. Regardless of intent or cause, the consequences of a web threat may damage both individuals and organizations. Increase in web threats. Kaspersky detected and blocked over 3 million web threats aimed at Indian businesses in 2023. This represents a concerning 47% jump compared to 2022. On average, nearly 9,000 cyber attacks targeted Indian businesses every single day throughout 2023. These stats highlight the growing threat landscape for businesses in India. It's crucial for companies to invest in robust cybersecurity measures to protect themselves from these online attacks. The rapid digital transformation and adoption of cloud services by businesses have expanded the attack surface, providing more opportunities for cybercriminals. Many businesses, especially SMEs, lack robust cybersecurity measures, making them more vulnerable to attacks. Secondly, the shift to remote work environments has introduced new vulnerabilities as employees access company networks from potentially insecure locations and devices. Economic experts predict positive economic growth in India this year due to the rapidly growing digital economy of the country. With the local government ramping up efforts to bolster the local digital economy and infrastructure, Indian businesses should prioritize strengthening their cyber defenses against lurking online threats. Failing to do so risks undermining their ability to fully harness the benefits of digitalization. Now is the time to take proactive measures and safeguard against potential cyber attacks. Moving forward in 2024, it's imperative for businesses to elevate their cybersecurity efforts to new heights. Gone are the days when basic firewall and endpoint solutions sufficed. With organizations handling massive amounts of data and the potential for significant reputational and financial damages from cyber attacks, it's time for the organization to come out with an adaptive and intelligence-led approach to security solutions and services. Let's look into today's headlines. OpenAI introduces ChatGPT Edu for higher education. OpenAI recently unveiled ChatGPT Edu, a groundbreaking solution for academics and campus management that includes document summarization and data analysis. ChatGPT Edu is designed specifically for institutions. Motivated by its achievements at esteemed colleges like Oxford and Wharton, the platform seeks to augment learning opportunities through sophisticated artificial intelligence functionalities and fortified security measures. Instagram improved the limits feature to protect teenagers from harassment. Instagram released an enhanced limits feature to protect teenagers from cyberbullying. Adolescents are empowered by this feature to limit interactions, messages, and tags to members of their close friends group only. This update, which was first released in 2021, automatically adjusts the setting for users who are teens. The tool came as a response to the online harassment experienced by English footballers Bukayo Saka, Marcus Rashford, and Jadon Sancho. RBI to permit rupee accounts outside of India. To internationalize the rupee, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) will permit accounts to be opened in rupees outside in India. The first phase of the Spectra platform for ECBs and trade credits would be launched together with the liberalization of external commercial borrowing (ECB) regulations according to the RBI's 2024-2025 strategy plan. The guidelines will be revised to reflect changes in the economy. International cyber scam discovered in Noida, Chinese national arrested. 5 people, one of whom is Chinese, have been taken into custody by the Noida police on suspicion of cyber fraud, following a tip concerning the bulk purchase of SIM cards, some of which were discovered to be active in other countries and being used to run fake social media accounts. An exhaustive investigation resulted in the arrests. Convincing victims to invest money was part of the fraudulent scam, which was then transferred into mule accounts. DSCI and Kyndryl launched Cyber Sainik program to train 25,000 students in cybersecurity. The Data Security Council of India, DSCI, set up by NASSCOM, has announced the launch of Cyber Sainik, a cybersecurity training program for students across India along with Kyndryl. The program, which will train 25,000 students in 3 years with the goal to impart the skills necessary for students to safeguard their digital space and empower them to preempt, navigate, and mitigate cyber risks effectively. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.